And I'm going to start by being a little bit brave in saying that I think that there is still a lot of stigma attached to being old. And I think in this country we can ask ourselves why that is. And I think one of the reasons might be, you might consider, is that we tend to call people pensioners, which we were very proud of when we first called ourselves or people pensioners, because it was a great achievement to introduce universal pensions. But we still call people pensioners, and I don't think that's very clever today. So why not think of something like, we don't admire a huge amount of what the Americans do at the moment, but I think calling people seniors might be a better way of describing them. So, you know, there are things we can look at from other countries which could help us to get rid of what I still feel is a stigma associated with being older.